Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and only Roy's Touch, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my kit.
I've been trapping, oh yeah, get that work, bag it, sell it, flip it, bitch. I've been stacking, oh yeah, doing what I gotta do, staying true, make it happen. I made it happen, oh yeah. Young Southside Queens nigga, try and make it rapping. Whoa. Doing what I gotta do, I'm just trying to make it happen. God is good, but I'm sinning just a bit to make it out the hood. Nigga try and live good, check, bone car just 2 doors, diamond chain got no.
So I used to have all of these stickers on like every single drawer, but yeah, they fell off, didn't last long. But anyways, so here's up here where I keep my brushes. This is so cute, right? My sister-in-law made this for me, and yeah, I put my brushes in there. When she made this for me, I wasn't even thinking about makeup. Like, I didn't even know how to do makeup. Like, I didn't care for makeup or nothing, but now it's coming in handy, so thank you. Here's some of my brushes. All of them aren't in there, but yeah, let's get to the first drawer. So in my first drawer, I have all my foundations and my all of my foundations and my concealers. So over here, because I don't only do just my face, obviously, so I do customers from this shade, and this one is cool, but I don't know, it kind of shows up too orangey on my skin, but like once it sets in, it's cool. Yeah, and then I have all my concealers over here, you know, damn near empty. Use a lot of Fawn. Oh, this I got with my James Charles palette, which I don't know, anybody else bought this? I don't think it, I mean, I can't say it don't work, but I don't know, I don't even use that shit. This is my favorite concealer for cut creases. This is from MAC. Got some primer that I don't use. Got it from my cousin, but this is for people who got like oily skin. My skin is dry as hell, so I don't even use that. Yeah, she'll kill me if she finds out I'm not even using that shit. This is a problem I have with this drawer. Like, I've been trying to close it, and it's just like over here shredding. If you can see, like, you see that? This is ridiculous. Anyway, in my second drawer, this is what all my palettes are. This is my favorite right now, the James Charles palette. Y'all see this all the time. So many colors and all of that. This, I got this one, I don't know, I bought this like a long time ago from NYX. I don't even use it, but now that you know, I'm a little more consistent, I'll be using this sometime soon. Here I got like Makeup Revolution. If you're just starting out and you wanna, this is a good brand, Revolution. If you're just starting out and I don't know, you wanna try some looks, this is a good brand to start with. Also got this. Actually, I didn't get this for makeup. Like, I don't know, I can't put everything on my face, and this is not something I'll put on my face. I actually got this for when I do like lace frontals and lace closures and stuff like that, and I need to put a little makeup. Yeah, that's why I got that. This Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, I didn't really get to use this like I wanted to. I didn't really use this on myself. I mainly used the black, and I use this color right here on myself, but these other colors I've used on my customers before. This is, which palette is this? This is the 35B palette. This palette is popping. Y'all already know this palette is full of colors, very similar to the James Charles palettes. I think they're the same damn thing, 2 different names. I also have my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. These colors is popping too. The Modern Mattes palette, I don't gotta open it because it's see-through. Yeah, listen, Oh, I bought this because it was $1, but I just don't think these are going on my eyes. But I don't know. If you want a drugstore tutorial, comment below. Let me know. I have. Yeah, listen. This palette dropped and fell. I was so pissed. Not that I probably was gonna even use the colors that fell anyway, except for this one. This one, but it looks just like. Wait a minute. Did they put two of the same colors? Oh shit. All right, that's enough for that one. I have this one is so pretty. I haven't gotten to use much of these yet, like on myself. And the festival palette, I got two of these. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's right behind me. I have two of these. Can't never have enough. When I saw these colors, I was just like, listen, I'm gonna get two just in case. But this gold right here is so, oh shit, I touched the wrong one. But look at the pink. This pink is nice. I touched the wrong one. You guys can't see. Oh, don't look at my nails. Anyways, all right, so now I just made a mess that I have to clean up. No one is helping me clean this up. All right, on to the next drawer. I have all of my lip glosses and stuff. Listen, I came a long way because, yeah. Well, let me see what two of my favorites are. This is ColourPop. This is a nice burgundy-ish color. I'll probably try to put something below where I wore it before. This is ColourPop also. This is matte. I put it on and I didn't like it. It doesn't look nice on me. This color, you guys have seen me wear this before. I'll put a picture on the side if you don't remember. Now this I just got. Look at this packaging. This packaging is so cute. I just think this is so cute and so, you know, sleek. Like, it's just so beautiful. But yeah, this color is really pretty. As you can see, I keep buying nudes. Like, I have a problem. Like, I've been trying to step out and get colors like, you know, purple. Oh my god, this is terrible. Like, this is terrible. This thing right here is terrible. I'm not gonna say the company name, but it's the worst. Yeah, the Aaliyah lip gloss is one of my favorites as a topper. Which one else is which one? This Aaliyah lipstick is one of my favorites too. This is Try Again, and you wear this one with the chestnut pencil from MAC. You put this lipstick on and you put this lip gloss on. And I have a couple of these Anastasia lipsticks. These little ones. These are so cute. A lot of NYX pencils. This is one of my faves. This one's one of my favorites. This is the green one. This is the all black. Can't go wrong with all black. Yeah, I have a lot of them in there. But yeah, that's my lipstick drawer. And then in this drawer, I have all my glitters, which I have yet to really use these. I have some blue glitters, some blue pigment, black glitters, silver, pinkish silver, purple, gold pigments, all types of different ones. This I want to use, but I don't know how I should use it. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Some eyeliners, you know, shout out to NYX. Shout out to NYX. NYX is just so popular. I love NYX. All of these are NYX. I have like one BH. I think this is BH. Is this? Yeah, it is. That's the felt tip one. Then I have like some. I love NYX, but this is a bad. This one is bad. I'm sorry. It's too like watery. It doesn't like it. It's just, I don't know. It's just watery and stuff, and you know. Here is my like facial drawer. So in here I have like my brush cleaner spray. Of course, it's from NYX. I have my hand sanitizers. I have a face mask stuff. I have a couple of face masks back here. Clarifying, purifying, hydrating, all that. My Neutrogena wipes. These are the only wipes that I use on my face to clean my makeup off. The only wipes. My skin is very sensitive. I can't just put anything, and we all know soap and water does not work for removing makeup. Nivea is my favorite lotion. Like, it's really my favorite lotion. I buy them every time I see them. Then I have some setting sprays. These are the little ones. Sometimes when I'm just in the store and I see them, I'm like, you know what? Let me cop these. Don't ask me why I got the little bottles. I don't need I had the big one, but if I don't need it, I don't need it. I don't know if you guys been watching me, you know this is my favorite setting. I mean, my favorite highlighter powder. I want to show y'all some of this stuff, but I can't because I'm holding the camera in my other hand. So y'all gonna have to deal with it and bear with me. But this is a blush trio from Morphe. I use this on my fair skin clients. It's really nice. This is the setting powder that I always use to set my highlight. Sasha Buttercup. I got some powders from MAC, some Sephora. Y'all know what this is. Oh, yo, this right here is nice too. This is from NYX. Don't sleep on them. This is high. Oh shit! Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at here? This is my eyelash drawer. I got these from Dollar Tree. I saw them in there and I was like, let me see how well this works. But obviously, you can see how they work because they're still sitting in their package. Well, I tried this one and it wouldn't. Listen, I didn't have no time. And I got these also from Dollar Tree too, which is why they're still in the damn package. They don't fit properly. This belongs to a home. I don't know which one. So sometimes I just put them right up in there. Yo, these bold lashes are really nice, but they're just too big. They're too bold. I can't put these on. But they're very nice. My sister gave them to me. These are kind of cool too. They're kind of curled. I don't know if I really like those. These are nice. Listen, a crackhead gave me two of these, all for $10. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Oh, these are like my artsy drawers. They're not so artsy anymore because all my stuff is all over the place. These are some foundations that I mixed. This is like, you know, this is my artsy drawer. My glue, a couple of spiders, eyeballs that I never got to use. In my last drawer, you know, some fake blood, some more glue, a whole bunch of other glitters, rhinestones, paintbrushes, rubber bands, you know, more artsy stuff. So guys, that's it for my what's in my kit video. I wish I could have really like swatched some things for y'all, but maybe next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share this video. Let me know your thoughts and let me know what you would like for me to do in my next video. Continue to be blessed.
These streets going hard, trying to stack my G's. Say you bout this life, nigga, please. More hoes in your story than Swiss cheese. Done hard, all night, party hard, all night.